I am the Minister of Partnership and Investment on Senegal. Bon, I speak a very bad English, but I speak only French. I want to tell you the climate affair of Senegal and the purity measure. I read simply because I don't speak. Okay. Administration procedure automation in Senegal, launching the remote procedure for obtaining the building permit, generalization of the tax payment declaration, business creation processes automation, completion of the computer, it's very difficult for me, transfer of ownership, computers, the credible land information system, commitment charter on the Insurance of Administration Act. You understand? Now, implementation of tax and legal incentive and the simplified system in Senegal, improving the legal and the regulatory framework, completion of the Civil Code of Procedure reform, improvement on the Public-Private Partnership Act, preparation and adoption of the Public Service Delegation Charter, increase the number of signed and ratified API, Accord of Promotion and Protection of Investment, contribution to the implementation reform in the ECOWAS and OADA zone. In Senegal, priority measure, growth of the funding level, innovative land reform, exchange and partnership between large investors, local community and local farmers, economic zone and private investment class, training on the learning, growth of manager agriculture and irrigate land, national political movement based on multimodal, availability of diverse energy and competitive price, strong social impact investment, high impact investment charter, council for emerging region, development of business incubator areas in university and viable business space, business competition for emerging startups, finance instrument, strategic investment, regulatory framework for social housing in the Omnical Center. Achievement 2012-23, reform in 6 indicators. 6 indicators. Business creation time reduced to 24 hours since January 23. Cost of entrepreneurship reduced to at last. Dematerialization of the business creation procedure in Senegal. 2 indicators, building permit, reduced delay in entering building permit from 2019 to 14, reducing delay of using certificate of conformity from 5 to 3 days, reducing delay in using urbanism certificate from 10 to 3 days, dematerialization of the building permit in the procedure, reform ownership transfer, cancellation of state authorization for real estate transaction resulting of the gain of the on again of 50 days on procedure as an impact, reducing delay in using actual duty certificate from 5 to 3 days, merging procedure of registration, formality, and advertisement fees for Publicity Act, reduce rate of ownership transfer from 15 to 10. Tax payment, availability of the 12 return online, introducing a real tax payment system for line with revenue less than 100 million CFA, implementation of the medium enterprise center, implementation of investment-friendly measures packaged in the CC. Justice trade in Senegal, adoption of the law amending civil procedure code, holding the trial schedule and the implementation of all commercial rooms for the period 20, reducing the cost for using civil and commercial documents, border trade, complete dematerialization of foreign trade, modernization of the removal of goods and the democratization of corner transport process. I excuse me simply because I speak very well French, but English I speak very, very bad English. But I want to go here and to tell you the situation, the position of Senegal in the voilà, in the affaire. Vous avez vu, bon, moi je suis
parfait.
français.
Non, non,
bon, voilà.
Merci.
Okay. Voilà. Et donc, je m'excuse franchement. Bon, voilà, moi je suis trop francophone. J'ai fait mes études en France. Bon, voilà. Et donc, il m'est très rare de venir, de venir, par exemple, dans les pays anglophones. Mais je maîtrise parfaitement l'environnement des affaires au Sénégal. C'est un environnement, le Sénégal, par sa position géographique, par sa démocratie, vraiment a étincelé dans le cadre vraiment de l'environnement des affaires. Et nous avons fait beaucoup de choses avec le président Macky Sall. Je veux dire, tout simplement, nous avons créé ce qu'on appelle le programme de réforme des affaires et de la compétitivité. Et 4 axes ont été choisis. Et parmi ces axes-là, ce que je veux dire en anglais, et parfaitement, nous sommes dans une bonne position au Sénégal. Vraiment, nous sommes là pour attirer les investissements et former ce qu'on appelle la formation brute en capital fixe. Et nous avons, en 2012, fait au moins 4 milliards, j'ai dit 400 milliards, 892 milliards, 92 millions en investissement direct étranger. Et je pense que c'est une bonne affaire pour le Sénégal. Et ça va jouer dans la croissance, parce que la croissance, vous savez, par l'offre et la demande. Et nous avons utilisé l'équation Y est égale à, vous le savez bien que moi, Y est égal à la consommation plus les investissements, plus les G, les dépenses publiques, plus le solde de la balance commerciale. Et nous savons qu'en Afrique, la balance commerciale est toujours déficitaire. Nous avons utilisé maintenant l'investissement en ramenant quand même l'environnement des affaires beaucoup plus incitatif pour créer ce qu'on appelle la formation brute en capital fixe au Sénégal. Je vous remercie.
Merci, Excellence. We just
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.